Over the last few days, we've been learning about the area of rectangles and triangles. And now we're going to try and figure out the area of a different kind of space using what we've learned about area of triangles and the area of rectangles. So in this question, we're asked to find the shaded space here, this blue area. We need to find the area of this blue shape, which is a trapezoid. Now, we don't know what the formula for a trapezoid is right now, and we don't even have all the information we need. So we have to go about finding it. So when I look at this problem, one of the things I want to do is I want to try to find the area of this entire rectangle. And then this looks like a triangle to me, and this looks like a triangle to me. So if I find the area of the entire rectangle and then subtract the area of these two triangles, that will give me the area of this enormous trapezoid. So first I have to find the area of the rectangle. So as you can see, the base is 20 and the height is 15. So the area of a rectangle is base times height. So that would be 20 times 15. All right, 5 times 0 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Put my placeholder. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 2 is 2. Add them up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. 305. And we're going to call these meters. Put my label in. It's so important. So the area of this entire rectangle is 305 meters squared. But that's not what I want. I want to find the area of the trapezoid. So if the whole rectangle is 305, I need to take away these two triangles. Well, which one do you want to start with? Let's start with this guy over here because I have a base and I have a height. So the area for the formula of a rectangle is, you know it, you know it, you know it, base times height divided by 2. Base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to look back over here. My base is 6. My height is 15. It's like an upside down triangle. So my base is 6 times 15, my height, divided by 2. All right, let's try that. 15 times 6. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 90. So that's 90 over 2. It's like cutting 90 in half. So if you're not sure what half of 90 is, you do the math. 90 divided by 2. 2 goes into 9 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Bring down my 0. 2 goes into 10 5 times. And 5 times 2 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. I'm done. 45 meters squared is the area for this triangle. Am I done? Nope. I have to figure out the area of this triangle. Well, all I have is the base. I don't have the height over here. Can you use your knowledge about rectangles to figure out what this line is over here? Yeah, it's 15 because opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So that's 15 meters. So again, base times height, 8 times 15 divided by 2. B times H divided by 2. So that would be 8 times 15 divided by 2. I'm running out of room here. You might run out of room on your paper. Grab a new piece of paper, move to a different section. 8 times 15, okay. 15 times 8. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 1 is 8, plus 4 is 12. So that's 120 divided by 2. So it's like cutting 120 in half. Maybe you can do that in your head. That would be awesome. 120 cut in half. Well, if I figure this out, half of 12 is 6, so it would be 60. But let's do the math just to double check. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 12 minus 12 is 0. Bring down the 0. 2 goes into 0 0 times. 0 times 2 is 0. I get 60. So I'm going to scroll back up. This triangle is 60 meters squared. So I'm a step closer. I know the area of this triangle. I know the area of this triangle. And I have to use them with the area of the entire rectangle to figure out the area of the trapezoid. So the trapezoid is 305 minus those two. So I'm going to combine those two first. 60 plus 45 equals 105. Now I need to subtract that from the original area. 002. So the answer is 200 meters squared is the area of this trapezoid. Whew, that's a lot of work. Now, not every problem will look like this, but I bet you will have a similar path to figuring out your answer. Figure out the entire area, then subtract the pieces that you know you can find to find the mystery piece in the middle. Good luck with your homework.